Hello everyone, it's currently 9:11 a.m. We just had some pretty good momentum on breaking news right now on JCS. That was a nice trade over here for the break of VWAP. Gave a really good opportunity. I didn't chase it. Some people probably did, but I didn't. So let's take a look at the leading gapper. So right now, JCS became the leading gapper, and now we're looking also at, let's see. Well, the second leading gapper is NNBC. But that one I really don't like it. I was looking at it before, but I don't know. This is more like for short people. They like to short this stock. It really gives a lot of false breakouts, so I really don't trust it anymore. I was kind of like in a roller coaster with this one. I was green, I was red, and then I'm green. I'm green 115 on it. This is my P&L over here, 115. But let's see. So the third leading gapper now is CHFS, and that one's looking a little bit more interested. So these are the two I'm gonna be watching out of the gates. Right now, let's see. Let's settle in right now. JCS just broke below the VWAP. But damn, that really gave a really good opportunity to trade. Let's see right now. Now we got CHFS, but we need a little bit more volume on that one. So that one's gonna be interested for the break of, let's see, the 1 minute it's 10.99 for the first 1 minute count to make a new high. But let's see. But at the same time, let's see this one. I'm looking at both of them right now. But just know, guys, day trading is really risky. A lot of people fail, but doesn't mean you can ever give up. I was one of those people that failed, but I never gave up, and now I'm actually pretty good at trading now. If you guys want to join my live stream on Discord, you guys can just hit the link below. It's gonna be in the description. But let's see right now with CHFS. But that was kind of extended on the 5 minute. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row. So the VWAP on JCS is 1157. Right now it's below, so I don't want to trade it. Yeah, this needs a pullback. Look at that OG over here. Okay, so how does SOS look? Let's check out SOS. I mean, yesterday, look at this. Look at that surge yesterday after market. Oh my god. I was trading around this level. It was just really tricky. And I stopped trading at like around 11, I think it was. Yeah. Yesterday, there was really nothing to trade. But look at this. This broke. Right now, let's see. If you can get above 8, we'll look interested for continuation. But at this moment, I'm not interested in it. I want to focus on the leading gappers of today. That's JCS. let's see. Break of VWAP is gonna be right about 11:56, so the break of 11:50. It's a little bit more riskier because we don't have that confirmation. So putting an order at 11:60, just in case he wants to go up there. But let's see right now. There's nothing. JCS is just keeps going down right now. Maybe we can wait for a 5-minute setup. I was gonna be more interested on this one on CHFS because the current high right now it's 1063. So next 5-minute count to make a new high. There's a wall flat top breakout. But let's see it right now. So let's see right now. There's a doji over here. I don't want to chase anything at this very moment. There's nothing. So we're currently 10 minutes away for the market to open. So okay, so now that we're seeing CHFS for the break of VWAP, but let's take a look how it's gonna do, if it's gonna hold above it. Because we can start looking for a 5-minute setup, but it won't be interesting until it gets above, well, 1050 around there. Also with JCS, 1148 right now. It's currently 1115. Well, there it is. That's a nice breakout. So let me do something. I'm just trying to. I'm gonna set up. Here's my trading position. Okay, so JC for the break of 12. But let's wait for it for a pullback. I missed it. I wasn't watching it right now, but the spreads are huge on it right now, so I want to probably the spreads to get a little bit tighter. I'm only gonna be trading with well, I'm gonna grow this account, so I'm going to be trading with probably 500 to 1,000 shares today. But look at the big rejection we had. Shows weakness. See, CHFS is just below the VWAP right now, so I'll go back to JCS. That one's the leading gapper. Maybe at the open we have a nice gap and go. $12.50 breaks. It'll be a nice break for the $12. No, I mean I'm looking for the break of 12, but there's some resistance at 12.11. I was looking at something else. Sorry about that. So we do have news on JCS. It says announces agreement to merge with the Pineapple Energy. Okay, let's see. We're about 6 minutes away from the opening. Let's see what we can get right now. So for the opening, I'm seeing okay, let me do this right now. So CHFS, the current high right now, the 5 minutes 10:39. So at the open, probably the break of VWAP is gonna be around 10:18. So 10:18, good entry will be for the break of the 50 mark, 10:50. So 10:44. I want to see a nice resolution right away, all the way up to 10. After the break of 10:50, 10:75, and continuation to 11. But I also want to see momentum picking up. On JCS at the same time, I want to see, well, that one has for the break of 12, but there's resistance right about 12:10, 12:16 in that area, so we gotta be aware of that. But right now the spreads are huge. I'm just gonna trade it with 500 shares to show you guys that it's possible to make money with only 500 shares to 1,000 shares. There's a link below if you guys want to join the Discord. There's no lag in it, so that's the good thing about it. But that's premium membership. It's only $100 a month, $99 a month. But with that, you get no, there's no lag. It's almost like real time frame. But let's see right now. We're about 4 minutes away for the opening. So there's not a lot for the morning watch list except JCS, but let's see what we can do over here. Yesterday it was really tricky. There was nothing, and I was reading SOS, but that was a roller coaster, to be honest. That one was more like to buy dips instead of breakouts. So let's see. These are the two I'm watching right now. So let's take a look at this one at the opening. We're only 3 minutes away from it. Right now I'm seeing no volume of them, but we'll see at the opening. Usually at the opening we start getting a lot of volume. Let's see what NNBC is doing. I don't know about NNBC because that one been playing. It did some good moves over here around 7 a.m. I took my first trade around 8:15. Right about here. I got in with 500 shares at 886 and sold at 902. And then I went for a quick loss of 10 cents. I bought at right at 910 and then I had to sell 9 because it wasn't holding. But then I bought a 9 and sold at 911. And then I bought again at 61, trying to see if we get the quick move all the way up to $9, but we didn't. So I just sold mostly like break even. But let's see, JCS. I don't like to see that they're failing already, but we might get a good move right now, so let's wait till the opening. So we're about 30 seconds away. I'll say JCS will be nice for the break of VWAP, so for 1139, probably a test of 1150. And for CHFS, same break of VWAP, 1015. So a good entry will be around 1039, or the same thing, looking for the break of 1050. But remember guys, day trading is risky. Hold up, JP, I'm looking at this one, so right now, hold up. Let's see JCS. So I'm watching both JCS and CHFS. Okay, nothing. Let me see that one you told me to look at. Let me bring the chat over here. GG. No, not enough volume. That's can't really do anything there, and it just faded right now. Just flush. JCS. Let's go back to that one. Maybe we get a nice bounce. But I'm still looking for the break of 1150 or the break of VWAP. But it has to be up there. I'm not gonna buy anything over here because it's just really risky. And NBC, I just saw it just fell. So there it is. We're getting, and look at that, the whole level is 1154. Let it pull back a little bit more. 65, the whole level moved up. I'm not gonna get in here. I wanna wait for the next 1 minute candle. Okay, so look at this one, CHFS. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, so back to that one. So the previous high was right about 1024. No, I think JC is the one getting the volume right now. But it's right below the VWAP, so I really don't trust it. Now it says it's gonna get halted going down. It's a 953, the hold going down. That was a false hold, but I'll just wait. I just don't want to buy here because that's just dumb. Buying it down here, trying to expect for a move when we know it's actually going to the downside. So in these situations, we just have to sit tight for a little bit. Or if you have a cushion, you can just, of course, to take that dip trade. So 1154 is the whole going up on JCS. There it is. But I want to see 11, the break of 11. CHFS is just going lower. The thing about this one, this can really go all the way down to 940, 944 with the hold. It's for the hold going down is at currently right now 944. So I'm trying to look at other stocks to see what's popping, but nothing right now. We got SOS now did a move, like I was saying back then. If you got above $8 right there, and it did. So I just saw that right now. So let's switch to SOS. So 850 was a high over there. Let's see what this is going to do on the pullback. The thing, this is heavily traded at the same time. That's what I really don't like about this one. Same thing happened. This moves really slow. But that was a nice move over here from 11. That was the next 1 minute count to make a new high. That was a nice setup from 775 all the way to 850. Not bad. But 850 is the high. Let's see what this is going to do. It has 18 million shares of volume right now. I'm long there at 39 for the break of 50. Let's see if we're going to get the break. 38 is actually my position. I want to anticipate the break. But with this one, it's more dips that you have to buy. Maybe we get a nice 5 minute breakout for 11.54. No, 850. I traded this one yesterday. This is what it did. It consolidates and it has some nice breakouts. So first 1 minute count to make a new high is gonna be over 840. We're currently away 10 seconds away, so let's see what this is going to do. I can do a quick add around these levels for a nice pop, adding. So my new average is now 833, and now we can get a nice pop on the next 1 minute. Let's see what this is going to do. See 28, 27 right now. I think this is the same thing happened. I'm just gonna let that one play alone. Let's move to JCS. That one's picking up volume now. But it needs to break over 1145. And let's take a look at, no, I'll leave that one over there. SLG. I'll leave SOS on my other chart, and I'm gonna leave let's take a look at SLGG. That one's looking better. But we need to see a little bit more volume picking up. It only has 459,000 shares of volume. I want to see a little bit more action on SLGG, but it needs a pullback. It's a little bit extended, but we can look for the break of $4 if we start getting more volume. I'm seeing my scanner right now also CHFS. Okay, there it is. That one's a little bit better now. Because that one has more volatility. $11.14 is the hold going up. So let's see right now. The current high right now is 85. I'm long there. 11.08. We can maybe get a nice squeeze all the way up to 11.38. Adding over there 11.11. Trying to create a position for a nice bounce to the whole level. So I'm gonna do a quick add of 14. Okay, now we see it. There it is. So that was a quick 1,825. That's the quick search I wanted to see. Now let it pull back. Okay, let's see. That was kind of like a false breakout. But for the break of $11, I want to see. Nope. So the levels I look at is a 25, 50, 75 in the whole dollar. If 25 breaks, my next target is going to be the half dollar. Half dollar breaks, it's going to be 75. He's getting a dip trade right there, but I'm okay with that. Now this looks more like a false breakout. Let's see right now. Right guys, so I'm gonna call it a day here with you guys. I'm gonna go back to the stream. If you guys enjoy this video, quick video, please leave a like and subscribe, and then stay tuned.